If you've been hearing about Gamma AI and wondering whether it's the right tool for creating presentations, today we're going to break down its pros and cons so you can get a clear picture. Gamma AI is a powerful AI-driven platform designed to make presentations fast, professional, and visually appealing. But, like any tool, it has its strengths and some limitations. Let's start with the pros. First and foremost, Gamma AI is beginner-friendly. Even if you've never made a professional presentation before, the platform's intuitive interface and AI suggestions make it easy to create polished slides quickly. You simply add your content, and the AI helps with layouts, design, and flow, saving you hours of work. Second, it's time-saving. Traditionally, creating a good presentation could take hours or even days, adjusting layouts, fonts, and images. With Gamma AI, much of this work is automated, allowing you to focus on your ideas rather than design details. Third, Gamma AI offers customization and flexibility. While it automates design, it also allows you to tweak colors, fonts, images, and layouts to match your personal style or brand. This makes it suitable for both beginners who want guidance and professionals who want creative control. Another major advantage is smart content organization. Gamma AI doesn't just make your slides look pretty, it helps structure your content in a logical, easy-to-follow format. This ensures your audience can easily understand your message, whether it's a business pitch, educational lecture, or social media presentation. Now, let's talk about the cons. One limitation is that, as with any AI tool, it may not always interpret your content perfectly. Sometimes you might need to manually adjust slides or reorganize points to make your message clearer. While the AI provides suggestions, it's not a complete replacement for human judgment. Another potential drawback is over-reliance on templates. Because Gamma AI makes design easy, there's a risk that your presentations could start to look similar to others if you don't customize enough. Adding personal touches and creative edits is important to make your work stand out. Finally, Gamma AI may have a learning curve for advanced features. Beginners can get started quickly, but if you want to fully explore customization, integration, or advanced AI tools, it might take some time to learn all the options. Overall, Gamma AI is an excellent tool for anyone looking to create professional presentations quickly, especially for beginners or those who want to save time. Its AI-powered suggestions, design flexibility, and smart content organization make it a strong choice, as long as you're willing to tweak slides when needed and add your personal touch. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and AI tips, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future content. Give Gamma AI a try today and see how it can simplify your presentation workflow while helping your ideas shine.